Okay, welcome to this video. I've just realized that there are some issues with Yahoo Finance and their pricing. So what I would like to do is just give you a step-by-step way to go out and gather prices and dividends for our financial statement analysis project. So the first thing you'll need to do is actually go to your spreadsheet that has your company data on it. Let me get there. You need to identify the fiscal year end of your company. And of course, it's at the very top here. 12/31 is the fiscal year end here for Molson Coors. Many people will have this date as the fiscal year end, but it doesn't have to be that way. It can actually be any date during the year is when they officially close their books. So we're looking at 12/31. Now we go back to our Yahoo Finance, and you're going to find your company. So again, in the quote box, you'll type in your company. There's Molson Coors. It comes up very quickly sometimes. Go to historical data. Click on historical data. And what we need to do is massage this information a little bit. What information do we want? So we're going to fill in. Sorry, my mouse is being a little sensitive here. We're going to fill in the data. We want go to 5 years of data. When you open that up, you'll see it goes from 10/19/2023. We want this to end within a couple of days of 12/31/23. Sorry, we have to go back to 2019. So we got to change that date. My fault. So this, we need to go in, change this to 2019. Down here, we want this to end within a couple of days. I'm going to choose 1/4/2023. I'm sorry, 2024. That way we get all of 2023's data. We need 12/31/23 on our financial statement. That will give us the data that we need, the range. Then over here, we need to go to monthly. Click on monthly and apply. Once we have applied, as you go down through, you'll see that it populates. I am not sure why, but this download mechanism is not working for me. If it doesn't work for you, then you'll just need to go and choose these things by hand. Again, we need 5 dates, and we need the dividends for the last 5 years of periods from this time frame. And again, you'll see this thing snuck up on me here. It's not the right thing. We want this to be 2019. Again, as long as we get 5 years in there, we'll be good. I tried to make it a little bit easier. It didn't work. It doesn't work out all that easy. So we'll again, just get in here and find out the first date you need is 12/31/23. Well, we have 12/1 and we got January 1. So this is the date you're going to use, $60.35. Now this sets the time frame. So now you're going to go back and every year, 2024, that gives us 12/20/23. If you go back to January 1 of 21, go down here. This gives us another ending date, right? So you're going to get the 5 prices from this period here, the adjusted close price. But you're also, from that time period up here, again, where's January 1? Here's January 1. Here are the dividends. So you count every year's dividends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this last year it was 4 times that. That's $1.64 is the dividend for 2023. Then what was it in 2022? There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 of them. 4 times 38 cents, whatever that is. I can't do the math in my head. Then we go down. We get the next one. There's 1, 2. Oh, guess what? Remember COVID? So COVID screwed up our dividends. So you're going to have to get the dividends, just record what they have. So in 2021, there were only 68 cents worth of dividends. Go down a little bit further. What was it in 2020? There was one dividend paid in 2020 of 57 cents. Go down a little bit further. Now we can go down and see, and again, I think the last dividend we have here is of 57 cents here in 2019. That's all the data that we have. So that's the data we're going to need in the information we have for this company's stock. Unfortunately, we're going to have to adjust how we do some of our formulas, but that COVID year kind of messed us up a little bit. We'll talk about that in the class. So again, this is a way, quick and easy, maybe not always so quick. Let me show you what happens if you go to download. If I go to download, if I click on the click download, I'm getting an error message. So I don't know why that's happening. If it happens to you, that's fine. If it doesn't, then you'll be able to download this in an Excel file and get the data that way. So anyhow, good luck on this project. See you soon.